Scientists aren't created overnight. Astronauts, geologists,
physicians, they all started with a spark.
A spark of curiosity.
That spark ignites a passion.
One that lights the way to discovery, innovation, and the breakthroughs that change our world.
Here at Science Museum, Oklahoma, we see that spark every day.
In moments of awe.
In moments of wonder, little flames are kindled. The flames that will fuel the future of STEAM.
We don't create curiosity.
It's already there in all of us.
Our job is to bring it to life.
To help you see the world differently.
To get hands
and minds
exploring the principles of science.
Inside these walls,
curiosity is just waiting.
Waiting for a spark.
A spark that could lead to curing cancer.
Exploring new frontiers in space.
Or inventing things our world could only imagine.
Or propelling our world into the future.
And that spark?
It comes from you. You are their fuel.
The world needs science.
And science needs you.
Join us.
Join us in building new exhibits.
Join us in rural school gyms.
Join us in underserved communities.
Join us in the classroom.
Join us in making more future scientists.